Welcome to day 9 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. So far, we have been shining our sinks, trusting tissues, and doing a 2-minute hot spot and speaking kind words to ourselves. Today, we're going to add a 5-minute room rescue. So you will set your timer for 5 minutes and get to clearing up one of your rooms. Don't worry if you don't get too far, because we will be doing this every single day and it's going to make a drastic difference. You will be surprised at just how much of a difference 5 minutes can make. So be sure to grab a bag of sorts for trash. Also, you might want a box for donate and give away, and you may also want to have a basket or maybe some other boxes, hampers, whatever you can get your hands on for things that don't belong in the room but don't have a home, and another one for things that do belong in the room but also don't have a home. One is going to stay in the room and the other one is going to go where it belongs. So for 5 minutes, set your timers and get to going. Once those 5 minutes are off though, you stop. Tomorrow we're going to add on to this one, but if you missed yesterday's, check it out here, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 10 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.